Hey guys, a very good morning and welcome to a new daily market outlook for the 26th of May 2021. In today's market outlook, as per usual, the DXY alongside the major dollar pairs. To begin with, the DXY. So what has the DXY been doing? Well, as we can see, once we made that fake out on that major swing low over there at 89,650 and made that third trendline touch, you can see that bullish buying power came into the market. So we were moving beautifully towards the upside, however, we were met with rejection at this area of liquidity. So at the moment, what are we waiting for? Well, I'm just going to be waiting for bullishness to come, to be honest. So I still expect us to move towards the upside. As we can see, we're rejecting the lower trendline of the descending wedge to absolute perfection, and this area of support is also holding beautifully. So I just had a quick look on the daily and I did see that my potential reversal area shifted a little bit lower. So at the moment, we are still able to come down a little bit lower in towards that 89.5 region. And still, even if we come into that 89.5 region, I am convinced we are going to start moving towards the upside. However, the most ideal situation would be for us to start impulsing from the area where we are situated at the moment. So no sales at the moment, only going to be waiting for any potential longs back towards the upside. So that was DXY. Let's head over to Aussie dollar. And Aussie dollar playing out pretty beautifully. As we can see, we are pushing in towards the highs. So this area of liquidity needs to be shifted over here to 0.77900 / 0.7800. So as you guys know, I did mention we were potentially going to be able to swipe up the highs just above this swing high over here. So we did that. At the moment, what are we waiting for? Well, we need to see what the 1 hour is going to do, how the 1 hour is going to react to this swing high. So at the moment, what we are waiting for is to see how the next 4-hour candle is going to close. Because if this 4-hour candle closes bullish, I wouldn't be surprised if we do start pushing further towards the upside. So at the moment, I am not interested in longs. I'm only going to be interested in longs once we break this major swing high over here, as this is the major swing high to break for a beautiful structural break. So a lot of people will be looking for longs on the 1 hour from this area over here. Let me just draw on the fib for you guys. So a lot of people will be looking for longs from that 618 region. However, if you know how to read the market, you will know that on the higher time frame, we are still in a downtrend and that the market is still potentially going to go lower with that DXY bullishness. So just to be clear, wait for this high to get broken for longs. For the rest, only look at shorts. So yep, that was Aussie dollar. Let's head over to euro dollar. And euro dollar just stalling. To be honest, I'm just going to be waiting until we see a nice bearish 4-hour close. Once again, we need to still see a push lower. So at the moment, we're just very dependent on what the DXY is doing. So we need to wait also for that DXY bullish close. I am still convinced that we are going to start pushing towards the downside. However, price is taking its time. So all we can do at the moment is just be very patient and wait until we see some bearish confirmation. So at the moment, still only looking for shorts. Only until the DXY switches its bias will I be looking for any longs. So yep, that's euro dollar. Let's head over to pound dollar. And pound dollar is still playing out pretty nicely. As we can see, we're still within this ascending channel overall. Let me just delete the previous ascending wedge. So as you guys know, we are still possible, or it is still possible to come back up in towards this swing high at around 1.42340. So at the moment, all I'm waiting for is just to see what is next with the DXY once again. Because if the DXY closes bullish on the 4-hour, we can still see a lot more upside and pound dollar is most likely going to fall. So at the moment, still not really happy with taking any longs at all, only until we break out of this high over here and create a new uptrend structure. So yep, for now, still only going to be looking for shorts. So with that said, let's head over to our last pair, which is Kiwi dollar. And Kiwi dollar, what an absolute beauty. So first, let's go over the first position which I took yesterday, which was the Kiwi dollar short on the 1 hour, which banked me around 20 pips. I was in a short from around over here. From that 786, I shared this in the Telegram channel, which can be found in the link in the bio down below. So I took that short, however, got stopped out pretty swiftly once the momentum shifted. So I am not salty at all. And why am I not salty at all? Because I did call that we could potentially come up, back up in towards this swing high to see a maturement of the overall ascending channel. So if you don't believe me, just go back and watch a few videos and you will see that I did mention that Kiwi dollar was most likely going to come back up to make a maturement of the overall ascending channel. So at the moment, what are we going to see? Well, we're either going to see a drop from this swing high at around 0.73052, or we're going to see a drop from that third trendline touch of the overall ascending channel. First target is this area of liquidity, which I drew in at around 0.7222. So yeah, that was all for today, guys. Thank you all for watching. I can't wait to see you all tomorrow. If you have any questions, please leave a comment in the comment section down below. Have a great day and we'll speak soon. Thanks, guys.